In this video, we will see how to modify the relay module configuration on the relays or clients using an operational rule. Relay module consists of multiple parameters that are required for clients or relays to be able to connect to their parent. Some parameters are configured by default. It is not recommended to change the default values, but at times based on the environment, BMC Support may suggest to change those values. In such case, updating a parameter on all the devices manually is not feasible. So there's an operational rule called relay module setup which allows to configure the parameters and assign it to all the required devices at once. The devices should be active in the console for operational rules to work on it. The link to the details about relay parameters is given in the description box. Let's have a look at the relay module configuration and its parameters. Go to the device node, agent configuration and module configuration. Select relay. Now these are all the parameters that are required for the communication between client and its parent. In this example, we will configure a backup relay for this device and also set the reselection interval. So create an operational rule using operational rule creation wizard. Let's give it a name. Now add a step here, relay module setup. As we can see, each parameter is given with a checkbox. So the parameters that needs to be changed, the respective checkbox must be checked. Now this first parameter is enabled is to decide whether the rule is for clients or the relays. If we are assigning this rule to the relay device, then activate this first checkbox, and along with that the second box has to be activated. But if this rule is for the client devices, then the second box must be deactivated. Next, we will set the reselection interval value. So check this box and change the value to 3600 seconds. If there is only one mechanism used, for example list or static, then this value should be set to 0. But in case of multiple mechanisms such as list backup or static backup, then this value must be set to 3600 seconds. Next, we will configure the backup relay. So expand relay selection method. Check this box for list of backup relays. The format for configuring the backup relay is hostname or IP address, and communication port. Now that we have added a backup relay, the backup mechanism should be added to the mechanism list. So check the box for mechanism list. Type the currently configured primary mechanism. In this example it is list, and then put comma and then type backup. Now to make these changes effective immediately, we need to restart the BCM agent on the device. So let's add a step to restart the agent. And finish. Now we will assign this rule to the client device. The rule is executed now. Let's verify if the new configurations have been updated. As we can see, the reselection interval value has been updated to 3600 seconds. The mechanism list is updated as given. And here's a backup relay. This is how we can configure the other relay module parameters for the devices using operational rule. Thank you.